What is capacitor? Can anybody tell me what is capacitor?
Stores
Device stores charge. Okay, device that stores charge. Yes, I will. That stores charge. Okay, second thing. What is capacitance?
that give it's how much it stores charge.
Ability to or amount that is being stored. So ability to store charge. Ability to
It's from the word
store
capacity, صح?
charge. Okay, here you have to remember one thing. The capacity or ability to store charge is always equal to amount of charge stored per unit potential difference. So amount of charge, so you can say capacitance is charge stored per unit potential difference. So whenever we will say capacitance, Ali, capacitance is amount of stored charge per unit potential difference, and if charge is calculated in coulomb and potential difference in volt, so you can say capacitance as farad. So you can simply say 1 farad is the capacitance when 1 coulomb of charge stores 1 coulomb per volt. Here, one more thing I need to explain. What is that? Whenever we talk about the capacitance, it's in farad, but farad is a bigger unit. So, usually we will take out microfarad. You know that it's 10 to the power minus 6, nanofarad, or picofarad. When you say 1 coulomb per volt, that is equal to 1 F.
Farad.
Farad. F farad.
You can do a triangle for this one, huh?
Farad is unit of capacitance. To calculate capacitance, C is equation symbolical representation of the capacitance, and F is the unit of capacitance. Like distance is quantity, meter is unit, capacitance is quantity, and unit is farad. So it's SI unit for the capacitance. How come? Okay. Because charge stored is in coulomb, potential difference is in volt. How is the C over V here? Charge, unit of charge is coulomb. Unit of potential difference is volt. Potential difference denoted by V and volt is denoted by V. That's why it's V same. Okay, now here is another thing that you need to remember. Capacitance depends on three very important factors. What are those three important factors? It depends on number one, area of the plates. What do you mean? You know, capacitor is normally having a parallel plate capacitor, it has two plates. More the area, more is the capacitance. More the area of the plate, capacitance is more because more charge will be stored. Number two, distance between the plates, and it is denoted by D. Distance is inversely proportional. If the gap increases, the capacitance will decrease. So here capacitance is C. If I double the distance, if for example distance is doubled, so capacitance will be half. It will become half. And the third thing is permittivity. What does it mean? Permittivity mean the medium between the plates. If medium between the plates is none or vacuum, that permittivity is epsilon naught, that is 8.85 times 10 to the power negative 12. And this one you need to memorize. I will write it here.
You said there's something about the material. It's kind of material.
Yeah, material I will talk about it later. 8.85 times 10 to the power negative 12 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. This is permittivity of free space if there is no medium between the plates. When there is a medium, dielectric, it changes. So permittivity depend on the medium between the plates, area of the plates and the distance or separation between the plate. So depending upon these three, sorry, we can also say the capacitance can also be calculated by area time epsilon naught over the separation of the plates d. Can you try to answer this first question? What is the definition of the capacitance? Definition of the capacitance, I told you, ability, and it is charge over potential difference. Can you try it?
The first is right. No one could hide with answers.
It is the ability to store charge that is equal to per unit volt. What is Farad equal to? What I wrote here, Farad. C over V. C is what? Charge 1 coulomb over potential difference 1 volt. So coulomb per volt. So Farad is what? B. Coulomb per volt. Excellent. What is unit of capacitance?
No, Mr. C.
C. Which one of the following will give you the relation of Q, V, and C?
It's Q over V.
C is equal to Q over
Yes. V.
V. Okay.
Use the equation.
Capacitor has double the separation plates.
Distance is double.
When distance doubles, what happened to the capacitance? No, sorry. What happened to potential difference? Look, equation is C is equal to Q over V. Okay. You said there is another equation, C is equal to A epsilon naught over D. So here you change the plate, distance was D first. Now you change the distance to 2D. What will happen to potential difference?
Sir, 1/2. No. It's not related. D and voltage is not related.
Why? Can you explain me, please?
First of all, it's not the same equation. But there's another thing. If the distance is half, C is gonna be double. C is gonna be half, and C when it's half, it's gonna be inversely proportional to V. So V is gonna be double.
D increase, C decrease.
Yeah. So C.
When C decrease,
And V increase.
V automatically increase across this one.
Yes.
So you can say in this way that it will increase, but its double mean it will be. Yes, please.
Listen, I have a question.
Yes, please.
D and V in both equations act as a denominator. So if C is half, they both are the same thing. So if this increases, then this increases.
So it mean double mean double. One capacitor,
It's twice instead.
double area.
Double area, so
I told you capacitance is directly proportional to area.
so double V.
So double area mean double. It's
Which one
quickly.
is inversely proportional?
Distance. C is inversely proportional to distance. Like this one we did it. Can you quickly answer? Coulomb per volt is what? Coulomb per volt is Farad. Coulomb per volt is Farad. Micro mean 10 to the power minus 6.
10 times 10 to the power minus 6.
So here you have C is equal to 10 microfarad. You have V is equal to 12. And what you have? You have to find Q.
Q equals CV.
CV. Yes.
It's 1/1200000.
Okay. So let us make it easy. 10 times 12 times 10 to the power minus 6. So this become 120 into 10 to the power minus 6. What is 10 to the power minus 6? Micro. So 120
1.2
micro.
Yes.
I did it easier way. 120 microcoulomb.
I can do engineer. 120 understand?
Yeah.
Or negative 6. 120 microcoulomb.
Yeah. So the answer is
A. 120 times 10 power negative 6.
B. How? You have to find V here. V is equal to Q over C. Q is how much? 12 times 10 to the power minus 6
1 times
and 12 times 10 to the power minus 6. So it's without any calculation.
عشان نحن نحفظ الثلاث قوانين
1
احفظ
There
Q
is
equals
no
CV.
calculation.
بعدين نعمل لا مش بيراميد Q equals CV
يا اخي انا بعمل هيك
حط على الكالكوليتر X
There is no calculation here.
لا تحفظ كل الكالكوليشن خلاص بس احفظ قانون واحد
اوكي فهمت عليك
Okay,
بس
done.
هي ما كثير بس انه
Okay, we don't have time. Only 9 minutes. Let us finish quickly. Okay, next question, please. Yahya, can you try it, please? You have to find C. C is equal to Q over V. But you don't need it. You don't need it. Wait.
so it will
Without
be
calculation. Yahya, can you please?
wait you did it stop 12 times 6 to power of negative 1
No, next 6, sorry. By mistake.
So it's 5 yeah mister I got
Yes,
20
because
Without calculation.
because distance
Because,
double
V
this
is
half
double.
Distance double, capacitance is half.
yes,
So 10 to 5, not double.
divide.
1 by 2
More distance, less capacitance. So it will be halved. So 10 microfarad, when separation is double, changes to
5
5. So your answer is B.
yes
B. Okay, quickly please. Number 8. V is equal to Q over C.
multiply يا يا اخوان
20 times 10 to the power minus 6 over.
Over 10 times 10 to the
So simple.
2, math test.
Without calculation.
Hey, math test.
Okay. Next one, 0.
area مثل الزيرو
V is equal to Q over C. Yes, please.
لا مثل how QC
Pico. 10 to the power minus 12. 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 8 over 8,500 times 10 to the power minus 12. This one is you need calculation from engineering.
Messed up. Isn't it the opposite?
I did it wrong?
Yes.
It was-
down.
Wait. Equation is Q is equal to CV. You need V. So Q over C. C will go there. Look, you need V. So C will go and divide. C will move under the Q.
1.88
No. 1.9 what? Exactly?
I got 1.88
Okay. Yes, please.
طلع معي شيء ثاني
What is dielectric? First thing is dielectric is medium. What is dielectric? Medium. What type of medium it is? What type of medium it is? Insulator. So it is insulator. It is not conductor. Why it is not conductor? Because conductor will help the current to flow through the capacitor. We don't want current to pass. We want charge to accumulate. Okay, a charge to gather around the plates. So when you say dielectric, it is an insulator material placed between plates of the capacitors, between plates of capacitor. Okay, this is the first thing. Why we use this? The primary or the main reason is primary focus is to increase capacitance, to increase capacitance of a capacitor. For example, you know what is the equation of the capacitance? C is equal to A epsilon naught over D. This is capacitance of a capacitor when you have a parallel plate capacitor and vacuum there is vacuum between them. So if the capacitor, Irfan, if the capacitor has two parallel plates and there is a vacuum, we can calculate the capacitance by A epsilon naught over D. But when I inserted I inserted a dielectric material, this is the dielectric material, that is insulator. What happened? When it is vacuum, I say it is C naught. When dielectric material is inserted, this capacitance change to C and it will be equal to A epsilon naught times K over D. So it means this C is K time increased than C naught. What is C and C naught? C is the capacitance when we use dielectric, and C naught is the capacitance when we have vacuum. Between two plates, no material is there, only vacuum is there. So, how much time capacitance increased? K time. Now, K in this case has specific value. K is the amount of increased capacitance. So K is amount that capacitance is being increased. So if I ask you what is value of K when capacitor has vacuum, here in this case, what is value of K here? Here K is exactly 1, because in the first equation I said K was exactly 1. And when you talk about the dielectric, so in the presence of dielectric, K's value you can say will be greater than 1. So K is from 1 to more. It is 1 when it is vacuum between the plate, only air as a medium, and when there is a dielectric, it will be. Okay, when I use the word dielectric, Muhannad, I said it's an insulator. So insulator can be a paper, it can be plastic, it can be grease, oil, anything. So you can say what kind of dielectric we can have. The main thing, it should be an insulator, and what kind of insulator it would be. You can say dielectric could be any type of insulator like paper, plastic, rubber, grease, oil, anything. But the problem is, when we talk about this dielectric, I will provide you the value of K there. For example, if I say that you have a dielectric with value of K3, so it means the capacitance is increased by 3 times. So if capacitance is 4 microfarad, and when you insert dielectric, this capacitance increased to 4 times 3. So it will become 12 times. So this capacitance will be provided. So here you have to remember this thing. So this dielectric function is what? When you have dielectric, this dielectric, to understand that, let me start from the vacuum. This is, a parallel plate capacitor. When I connect it with the battery, what happens? One side of the battery is positively charged, other side of the battery is negatively charged. So one plate starts accumulating positive charge. Because of the electric field, or because of the electrostatic interaction, the other plate becomes negatively charged. So the amount of positive charge Q will be equal to amount of negative charge Q on the other side. And because of this electric field, a potential is created. And this potential V will be equal to the potential of the battery. When they both are equal, then we can say the amount of flow of charges or gathering the charges will stop. But when I said that there is a dielectric, so what happened? This dielectric will not allow the current to pass, will not increase the electric field, but it will polarize. Polarize means, you know, atoms are having positive and negative charge. So this is positive plate. So the charges near the positive plate will polarize to electron near it, proton away from it. So this polarization will make capacitance enhanced. So this capacitance will increase because more electron and protons are attracted to more electron or proton gathering on the plates. So polarization helps to enhance capacitance and also the accumulation of the charge on the plates. Okay, this is the second thing. So now what we found here, that dielectric has a main reason for the main reason of the increasing the capacitance. If you say potential difference, it might increase, might decrease, electric field might affect, but we have the basic concept that it will enhance the capacitance. Now let me move to the questions one by one. Can you just try to answer? Inserting dielectric into disconnected charged capacitor. If it is disconnected or it is connected, in both cases dielectric will do what?
See,
It will increase the capacitance, because I told you the main purpose of the dielectric is increasing the capacitance. Okay, number 23, Irfan. A dielectric constant K of the material is defined by which of it? I told you C is equal to K time C naught. So what is K here?
here is
C, the capacitance in the presence of dielectric over capacitance in the absence of dielectric. So this option is
yeah.
A here. Now, if a dielectric is inserted while connected in the battery, what will happen to energy? Energy and capacitance are directly proportional. So when dielectric is there, capacitance increases, automatically energy will increase. I'm talking about energy. So energy E is equal to half CV square. We know that capacitance will increase by the dielectric, so energy stored will increase. So this will also be C. Moving to next one. If dielectric is inserted between the plates of disconnected capacitor, potential difference. What will happen to potential difference? For that one, first of all, you inserted dielectric. The equation is Q is equal to C times V. Okay. Now, you said that capacitance increased. Why? Because you used dielectric. When capacitance increased, we know that charge stored will not be affected. I told you. So it is, you can say same. So if you know math, if I say 20 is equal to 4 times 5, if I change 4 to 5, how 20 will be equal to? 5 will decrease to, same thing happening here. Charge store on the plate is same, because dielectric is not changing the charge. Dielectric is changing the capacitance. So
Capacitance doesn't have to do with charge.
yes, I told you earlier on, capacitance depend on three things: area, distance between the plate, area of the plate, and the dielectric between the plates or material between the plates. So here capacitance increased, charge doesn't change, automatically voltage will decrease. As I showed you, Q is 20, so 4 times 5 is 20, automatically 5 times 4 is 20. So it means potential is decrease. Okay. Abdullah, the effect of dielectric in capacitor is what?
So we said capacitance is not affected by charge.
No. Capacitance is not affected by charge, not even by volt.
Okay.
But voltage is affected by the capacitance because charge was same. Yes, please. A. You said, look, a little while ago. This is. Can you, Irfan? Can you check 25? If you understood my explanation, you can answer this. The effect of dielectric. What is effect of dielectric? To increase.
Yes.
To increase
Capacity.
capacitance. Okay, this is the purpose, to increase capacitance.
Yes.
So now they said effect of dielectric to increase charge and voltage,
No, no. No.
to reduce electric field.
No. No.
Why not? In the above question, what happened?
Oh. Mr. V is potential difference? Yeah.
V is potential difference, but there is an equation. Look here, V is equal to E times D. I told you here, C increases, V decreases. If V decreases,
So.
E, because we are not changing capacitor separation, plate separation, we are not changing. So V and E are directly proportional.
Yes.
So electric field inside the capacitor is
V.
reduced. I am repeating again what I said. When capacitance increases by dielectric, voltage decreases. Voltage decreases, electric field decreases. Okay, this is B. What is primary purpose of dielectric? What is primary purpose of dielectric?
To increase the capacity.
Okay,
Yes.
increase capacitance. We will not listen to anything else.
Yes, yes.
We will not read to anything else. We will just talk about this. This is the primary function. So no need to read anything else. What is the K in vacuum?
Exactly one.
K in vacuum is exactly 1 and K in dielectric presence is more than 1.
Greater than one.
So I told you the K's value is either greater than or equal to 1. It's 1 in vacuum and it's more than 1 when dielectric is there. Okay, so you have to remember. So as you said, if I change the question here,
I didn't finish the first page. Where you put everything.
I will give you this one.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Exactly one. Okay, next question. A parallel plate capacitor has a capacitance C0 in vacuum and you inserted a dielectric with K is equal to 4. So what will happen to C? What was equation of C? C is equal to K time.
C dot.
So K is here 4. So what would be the answer?
4 times.
4 times C naught speed.
Good. Okay, moving to the next one. Capacitor kept connected to the voltage while dielectric is inserted. So, first of all, we said capacitor when dielectric is inserted, capacitance increases. First thing. But we said voltage is constant.
Yes.
So, we are not changing voltage here.
Yes.
But I told you capacitor will not affect the charge as well. Capacitor will not affect the charge as well. So, what will happen in this one?
Oh, okay. We can see that, for example, let's say Q is equal to 2 times V. Now we increase, it becomes 5 times V. Q is equal to 5 times V. So the charges will change.
Wait. You didn't understand the question. Question says constant voltage.
Yeah.
Mean V is not changing.
So V, that is C.
So it's V is not changing because charge will not change by any mean. So V is not changing.
Yes.
Okay, now a dielectric material such as paper. So you have a dielectric paper. What will happen when you insert it?
Becomes larger.
I told you any dielectric will increase the capacitance.
Oh, okay.
Even it's a paper, it's oil, it's grease, anything, it will increase the capacitance. Okay. Number 27.
10 times 1. Wait, sir.
You have capacitance
Sir,
10 microfarad.
Sir, what about number 6?
We will do it in next class. 12 volt. K is 4. The new voltage.
What's the mic?
Okay. What is the equation of the voltage?
ED is equal to ED.
V is equal to the other one with the capacitance.
C times C naught.
Q over C.
Q over C.
Okay. And this is C in vacuum. But when C is in medium or dielectric, this is
Q over C.
K times C.
this is C, let's say. So this is K time
Okay.
C naught. So what will happen to the voltage when K is 4?
Sir, we have C or C naught.
This one is C naught.
انت بدك تطلع اوكي
But sir, when did we take Q over K C naught?
What is Q equal to?
So it's like a function fx,
CV.
right?
So in vacuum it is C naught V.
C.
In
C.
medium it is CV, and C is equal to K C naught V. So this is this. I change V C with K C naught. So what will happen to voltage? Without calculation you should answer. Capacitance increase 4 times. So voltage
will
decrease 4 times. So voltage is 12. When it decreases 4 times, what is the answer? And if you want calculation, you can do it.
I said it.
Yes, yeah. انت تحكي
Ayman. It's capacitance. 10 times 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, next question, please. Hurry up.
Next question. طيب, a dielectric increase.
I just did this question a little while ago. C
So
is equal to what?
was A. No, what? 1 minute. No.
Here you need C, not K.
K times
Either A,
naught.
Either A.
So it's A. Yeah, I love
C is equal to K time C naught.
I love it.
أنا حاط حل طيب.
Hurry up, solve this one.
4 micro.
Okay, we got C and we got Q.
We have 3 minutes and we have to finish this one, please.
You have 3 minutes left only?
Yeah. C naught is 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. V is 50 volt. Fully charged, dielectric constant K is inserted. So new C is 3 times C naught. 3 times 4, that is 12, times 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, this is now C. This is V, this is C. So what will happen? How much additional charge? First tell me how much charge here.
So it's Q, right?
Q is equal to
Sir, 12.
C naught V. This is 4 times 10 to the power minus 6 times 5. How much is it? Sorry, 50.
So it's 4 times 10 to the
1 into 10 to the power minus 4.
6 times.
200 times 10 to the power minus 6.
No. It's 200 times 10 to the power negative 7. So it's B.
So this is 2 into this. This is actual. But when you add K 3 times, so what will happen now?